Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So, it kind of looks like my lighting's off. I swear, whenever I film past 5 p.m., it just looks like I am. So sorry about that if anything's off with this video. But anyways, I'm super excited because I now have both of my September paper boxes to open today. So I have the Grand Paper Box and then the Paper Box Mini. If you are unfamiliar with this subscription, it is a personalized stationery subscription. It is so cute. Look, even the packaging is personalized. It says Kitty's Paper Box. So everything is always so cute. I chose to start unboxing them both in one video so you guys can see both of their subscription options. I asked you guys and it seemed like the overwhelming majority of you agreed. So I did get the Grand box right before the start of the month, and I just got the mini box within the past week. So the mini is $10 a month and the Grand subscription is $28 a month. You can either get this monthly or bi-monthly. I love that they have that option. And I do believe I have a promo code, so I'm gonna link them down below along with the code. I believe the code gets you your first Grand box for $10, so that is a great deal. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. So let's get started. How about we start with the mini and then work our way to the Grand. So the mini came in this cute pink polka dot bag. I'm not sure if this will have any thing to do with the theme this month. So in the mini subscription, you get 3 personalized notepads, and in the Grand subscription, you get more things like thank you cards, a bunch of different stuff. We'll see soon. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know I did just film a video that has a giveaway in it. In my Ipsy Plus giveaway, there's a makeup giveaway that is going on until the 20th, so I will link that below in case you guys missed that video. So inside, this is what it looks like. There's some plastic overwrap, so let's see what it says. Looks like there's a note. It says, this month's inspiration is celebration of Comic Book Day. Break out those colored pencils, crayons, and markers and create your own story. September 25th, it's a Wednesday, and it is also Comic Book Day. So there is the little card I was reading from. In the Grand subscription, they always tell you all of the holidays for the month. I think that's so fun to celebrate any little thing. It always makes every day a little bit more special. But anyways, let's get into the notepad. So like I said, we get 3 every month. Let's start with the little one. This is cute. This is perfect for comic book theme. See how it says Kitty in the top corner? And hello, yes, oh my god. So you can use this for whatever you want. You can kind of doodle or color it in when you're taking notes, so that's super fun. And the next one, it's a little bit larger. Again, it says Kitty. Awesome. And then the last one says Super Kitty, and then it says wham, pow, crush, flash, bang. I love that you can use this to color in when you're taking notes and stuff. Or maybe if you're on the phone jotting things down, if you're a doodler, this would be great. I love coloring stuff in. So super awesome. So that is the mini subscription, the 3 notepads. And now let's get into the Grand subscription. I'm really excited to see what we got this month. Again, here is the packaging. And the back is super cute too. This is what it looks like when I open it up. It says, glad to be on this journey with you. Oh, isn't that so cute? Everything is in some tissue. Oh, the first thing I see, what is this? This is so cute. It looks like a little luggage. There's even the top handle. How cute is this? What is this? And then it says Kitty on there. You guys see that? So you can kind of just push it open. Inside it looks like there are a bunch of stickers. So let's see. Oh, there's a lot. So it says Traveler Kitty. So the Grand subscription clearly has a travel theme. Explorer Kitty. Take me anywhere. If you never go, you will never know. I like that. Live to wander. Ready for adventures. There's seriously so many of these, you guys. Let's travel more. Collect moments, not things. Ready for new adventures. Sorry, I'm gonna start to go quicker. There's like a little airplane. Oops, I just dropped some. Life is a journey. There's one I just dropped that says adventure. This one says no rain, no rainbow. Explorer kitty. And the last few ones, one says discover. This is cute. And here are the last two. Awesome, so I'm gonna keep these in there so I'll know like what stickers are like travel related. I think this little suitcase is so cute. I don't know, I might have to repurpose it and use it for like a gift or something. That's awesome. And here's a card that has all of the holidays I was telling you about. So you do get this before the first of the month, just a reminder. So it says, welcome Kitty, what's happening in September? And then it lists all of these different holidays, which I think is awesome. What's today, the 10th? Let's see. Today is Swap Ideas Day. Attend a swap meet. A swap meet is a type of market where people barter products and merchandise. Have $1 million idea? Get together with a trusted family member, friend, and coworker and talk to them about what you have in mind. So every day it tells you the holiday and then it gives you ideas of what to do, which I just read for that day. So I won't read all of them. Tomorrow's Make Your Bed Day. I try and do that every day. Friday the 13th. Oh my God, it's gonna be Friday the 13th. It's Positive Thinking Day. Awesome. So yeah, I love this. I think it's so cute. And it looks like we have a card. It says, what day is it? Oh, I love how the envelope's green. So here's what it looks like up close. And there's the back of it. Let's see if there's anything inside. It says, happy birthday, it's today. Oh, my favorite day. Christopher, Robin, and Pooh. That's cute. I've seriously like got a collection of cards now to use for like birthdays and stuff like that, and a bunch of different occasions, so that's super nice to have. Like I definitely will never have to go to the store for a card for years. The next one says, join me, your travel buddy kitty. I would love to travel. I haven't done it in a while. It says, let's escape. Let's do it. Who wants to go on an adventure? I just realized a year ago tomorrow is when I went to Jamaica. That's crazy. All right, next one says greetings from Kitty. And there's like, looks like these are postcards more so. Let's see. Here's this one. So these are 3 postcards. That's what it looks like on the back. This is cute. Here's like a little notebook. It says work, travel, save, repeat, and then kitties in the middle. Oh my God, it's a password list. There's all these different things in here that are useful. So the first page says password list. I could use that. I've been like struggling. I had to like reset my computer recently for something and I had to like remember all my passwords because they were saved before. I'm like, this is hard. Oh, and then it has like birthdays and stuff like that. This is really useful. Awesome. You just had to make sure to put this somewhere safe if it has all your passwords. Oh, and here is the calendar. So they give you a little frame when you sign up, and then you can put this in it every single month. So I'm gonna have to switch this out. Oh my gosh, September 16th is guacamole day. Guacamole is like my favorite food. Nikki, if you're watching, you know, love you more than Mars and guac, girl. But yeah, I am super excited about that now. Oh my God, yes. Reason to go out. Kitty's bucket list. This is super cute. Notepad. Here is another notepad. Looks like Winnie the Pooh's in the little corner. Do you guys see that? It's like a grid, blue on top. And then we have one more thing, and it says Golfly roam, travel, voyage, explore, journey, discover, adventure. What's in here? I always get to where I'm going by walking away from where I have been. Oh. Your life is happening right now in front of you. Yeah, there's all these quotes in here, that's really cute. And then there's like grid paper in here. You can do like bullet journaling and stuff like that, or whatever you want to do. Oh, there's more quotes at the end too. Let's read one more. Doing nothing often leads to the very best of something. Really? People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. Awesome. And I believe there's a new feature this month too, that you can download a phone background for, which is really awesome if you have like, you know, an iPhone, Android, whatever, all the options. You can do that. So I think you get something like that calendar, which I just showed you, that can be your background. So I think that's super cool. So that comes with your subscription. I think this looks so cute too. I love all the colors and the theme. Man, I am so excited for Guacamole Day. September 16th. It's gonna be fun. I just looked to see what it says, like what the tip is. It's like with lots of guacamole, of course, like how to celebrate, like yes. Just add in a margarita or 2 or 3. Yes, I'm so excited for that. But yeah, so that is everything in the 2 boxes. I think this is such a cute subscription to get. If you love stationery or you know someone who does, like I'm sure they would love it, or you would love this. It's really cute to open, always puts a smile on my face. But yeah, I will link that down below, put any promo codes, and again, I will leave the link to my video that contains a giveaway if you want to enter that. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye!